iconresources is an ASX-listed resources company. We call ourselves now an emerging producer rather than just a straight exploration company. We've got gold, tin, copper, uranium and zinc, spread down from far north Queensland to Western Tasmania. We've got a large holding of gold projects in northeastern New South Wales that we think have got a remarkable similarity to the mother lode in California, which has produced 130 million ounces. It's one of the world's major gold provinces. We see a lot of likeness in what we've got with that. We've just finished drilling for tin at Tara. Tin, by the way, continues to increase in price and demand. It's quite an exciting metal. It's rather similar to tungsten. There's quite a synergy. Once you know a little bit about tin, then that helps with the tungsten and vice versa. So we're regarded rightfully as a tin tungsten company, and we're quite excited about what we've potentially got at Tara. And then the next one after that is copper zinc. Again, they're both valuable commodities. We've got a resource that is probably, if we double it, we've got a mine just outside Rockhampton in central Queensland, and that's been waiting for a long time for us to get working on it, and we'll be looking there with some geophysics, producing drilling targets in the second half of this year. Well, our most important one is Mount Carbine. That's the one that we expect to be producing tungsten. 90% of our effort, 90% of our resources are going into Mount Carbine to get that up and running as fast as possible. Right now, we're drilling to increase the resource and upgrade the resource. Tungsten dipped less than most metals during the GFC. It dropped about 25–30%, whereas many metals dropped some hundreds of percent. It's now on the increase. It's getting close to its pre-GFC levels, and we've had expressions of interest far exceeding our expected supply. We're expecting supply up to 2,500 tonnes of concentrate into the market a year, which is something I think is of the order of 3% of the world's demand will come from Mount Carbine. And we have the expressions of interest far exceeding that amount. So we have no doubt at all we'll be able to easily sell our production. Very confident about that. You'll know that we've just had the addition of Leon Pretorius to the board. That was a very definite, deliberate decision taken by the board to get someone of Leon's calibre. Leon's had 25 years at the corporate level in resources companies and has had some remarkable successes. So I think if you've got some resource money that you want to put into shares, you go to a company that's run by geologists and engineers. And Icon's got very experienced, very technical board. We've just put on a processing engineer with excellent experience and qualifications in engineering and mineral processing. So we do what we do because we like it, we're experienced and we're qualified.